Nature. How inspiring is this magician of wonders, the creator of miracles? One such marvel is a small red fruit, a sweet picante pepper that is nothing short of a culinary superstar. Capsicum bagatum, the genus of the picante variety of peppers, somehow found itself traveling south, and by a sheer twist of fate, it began growing in South Africa. It's often said that the environment has a major impact on the growth cycle of any living organism. With this in mind, it's not surprising that such a special product is grown, cultivated, farmed, and packed in one of the most mesmerizing parts of South Africa, Tzaneen. In today's fast-paced world of instant gratification and mass production, what is being done in Tzaneen is completely different. There is a maximized effort to ensure every fruit that is picked is done with love and care. Every day, all the workers give the same amount of absolute dedication to the process of making this brand a success. From the greenhouses, fields, all the way to the factory, each and every step of the journey has been carefully and systematically monitored. It's more than a life cycle. It's a brand cycle that ensures when the Peppadew picante peppers arrive at the sorting facility, everything has been correctly measured to ensure a bright and robust product that meets all quality guidelines. The staff employed to sort and select batches of the product are well-versed professionals in their field, who by just sight alone can tell which of the peppers make the stringent quality checks. The overall fruit quality from each farmer is also tracked, recorded, and any quality issues are communicated directly back to the farmers. The factory facility is certified and staffed by an outstanding team of enthusiastic individuals who live by and follow Peppadew International's vision and mission. Research and testing make sure that a thorough adherence to excellence is of the utmost importance. Our stringent testing also ensures the best quality products are always the facility's goal. An internationally renowned brand like Peppadew has to live up to its hard-earned and impeccable reputation. The de-seeded fruit is pickled using a closely guarded secret recipe. The unwavering commitment to best practice ensures that every time you open a Peppadew product, you get the famously sublime sweet and spicy flavor with that distinctive crunch. All Peppadew products are bottled to retain freshness and taste. Being a natural and authentic product, there are no added preservatives. This is specifically intended that no matter where in the world a bottle of this magnificent picante pepper is opened, the result is always the same, fresh, flavorful, and unique. A brand is not just made, it's cultivated, nurtured, and encouraged to be the best that it can be. That's the true strength of Peppadew International's brand. And being South Africa's most loved picante pepper, the future is looking red, ripe, and utterly delicious.